In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Progressive Insurance on PC. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer and head to the official Progressive website. This is where you'll be able to access your insurance account and find the documents you need. Make sure you're on the correct official site before continuing, especially if you're logging in to view personal policy information. Once you're on the website, click the Login option. From there, sign into your account using your account credentials. If you manage more than one policy, take a moment to confirm that you're opening the correct one before downloading anything. This helps ensure you save the right document the first time. After you're signed in, look for the section labeled Policy, Documents, or ID cards. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your account view and the type of document you want, but these are the main areas where Progressive stores downloadable files. This is where you can typically find things like your insurance ID card, declarations page, or other policy-related paperwork. Next, select the document you want and click the download or print option. In many cases, the file will be available as a PDF, which is convenient because it's easy to save, open, and print later if needed. If your browser opens the document in a new tab instead of downloading it automatically, you can still save it from there using the download icon or your browser's save option. When prompted, choose a folder on your PC where you want to keep the file. It's a good idea to save it somewhere easy to remember, such as your downloads folder or a dedicated insurance documents folder. Giving your files clear names can also make them easier to find later, especially if you download updated versions over time. After the file has been saved, open it to make sure everything downloaded correctly. You can view the document using your web browser or any PDF reader installed on your computer. This quick check helps confirm that the file isn't incomplete and that you downloaded the correct version. Finally, remember to keep your insurance documents updated. Anytime your policy is renewed, changed, or reissued, it's smart to download the latest version so you always have current information on hand. That's it. You now know how to download your Progressive insurance documents on a PC.